gị ka m na-efe.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
The creator of heaven and earth, the ancient of days, the king who never changes.
You alone deserve my praise.
From the rising of the morning to the setting of the sun, my heart will sing your goodness, for all that you have done. When I was weak, you gave me strength. When I was empty, you filled my soul. When the world could not restore me,
Your love made me whole.
Gold and silver fade away, the glory of men will surely pass, but your kingdom stands forever, built upon everlasting grace. There is no other name that gives salvation and life.
No other king deserves
The worship of my heart. Every breath I breathe,
every breath,
every song I sing,
every step
every step I take.
belongs to you, my King.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
Naanị gị ka m na-eto.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
Eze m onye nzọpụta m.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
Naanị gị ka m na-eto.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
I lift my hands, I bow my knees, I give my life.
Completely to you.
I lift my hands, I bow my knees, I give my life completely.
To you. Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
Forever and ever, the heavens declare your glory, the oceans sing your praise, the mountains bow before you, and all creation obeys. You are the bread of heaven, the living water for my soul. You are the light that guides me, the shepherd who makes me whole. You never sleep nor slumber, your promises never fail. Even when the storms are raging, your love will always prevail. Every blessing I remember, every miracle I see, reminds me that your mercy has always followed me.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
You alone are worthy.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
Receive all my praise from my heart, from my soul, from every breath I breathe. I belong to you.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
I belong to you forever.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe. Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
I belong to you forever.
Naanị gị ka m na-efe. Naanị gị ka m na-efe.
Onye ka anyị ga-efe?
Naanị gị, naanị gị, naanị gị.
Take my hands,
Naanị gị, naanị gị, naanị gị.
take my hands,
Naanị gị, naanị gị, naanị gị.
oh,
Naanị gị, naanị gị, naanị gị.
take my hands,
Let them serve you.
take my voice,
Take my voice.
let it glorify you. Take my heart,
Take my heart.
let it love only you. Take my life,
Let it honor you forever.
for everything I have,
Comes from your hands.
everything I am.
Exists because of your grace.
I surrender my future, my dreams, my fears
And my worship.
to you alone. If the whole world
Should turn away.
I will still follow you. If I lose everything but
fills the deepest place.
Within my heart, you are my greatest treasure. You are my endless song. You are my eternal King.
Naanị Na-efe.
King above every king.
Naanị Na-efe.
Lord above every Lord. Alpha and Omega.
Beginning and the end.
You alone are holy. You alone are worthy. You alone deserve every song.
Every praise, every heartbeat, every breath,
Now, tomorrow,
and forevermore.
when this earthly journey is over, and I stand before your glorious throne, my song will never change. The angels will sing, the elders will bow, and I will join their everlasting worship, saying, song, 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 song. For you alone are worthy,
For you alone are glorious.
for you alone are God.
Forever, amen. Forever, amen. Forever.
Amen, amen, amen. Naanị Na-efe. The creator of heaven and earth, the ancient of days, the king who never changes.
You alone deserve my praise.
From the rising of the morning to the setting of the sun, my heart will sing your good.